Okay, Nifty Thrifty Girl featuring a Singer Slant O Matic model 404. This is a close cousin to the 401, the 403, and the 500, and the 503. This machine is straight stitch only. Your stitch length and reverse is here, your bobbin winders here, and this is your plate, throat plate lock. Class 66 drop-in bobbin right in the front. It's the light beige oyster white color combo, which is the color of all the 400 series and the 500 series machines. It is direct gear drive, no belt, just like the 400 and the 500 series. The only difference is this is a straight stitch only. It's very clean cosmetically. It just has light use and wear scratches. It's got a couple minor nicks and dings along the edge, but nothing major. You can just use it on the tabletop, or it can be put in a Singer cabinet or carrying case. You have a threading diagram here. Your foot pressure is controlled by the bolt on the top, and it uses 15 by 1 needles, and it has a slant shank, of course. You get some Class 66 bobbins, vintage, and you also get a slant shank zipper foot. And I believe I can provide a copy of the manual. I need to confirm that, but I believe I can provide a PDF copy of the instruction manual. This machine, like all of our others, is serviced, has been serviced, and is delivered to you ready to work. Machine's nothing fancy, but nice for just quilting. Kind of like the 301. If you have, if you're looking at the 301, you might get this a little cheaper. 301 does have the featherweight bobbin mechanism, whereas this one is a 66, but they're still just both a straight stitch. It does a nice stitch. This is 5 layers of denim. I'm using a size 16 needle. And as you can see, it does not mind the 5 layers of denim at all. Nice straight stitch on that. It does have a built-in light here, turn on and off. It does have 2 separate cords, one for the foot, one for the power. They are both in excellent condition, and that's the Singer 401, or I'm sorry, 404. It does have the bottom cover plate. The feet are in good shape. So it is ready to go. And that is the Singer Slant O Matic model 404.